To apply ink effect to your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Now tap effect button at the bottom of the screen and then swipe the screen to the left until you find ink effect. Tap the back key and then tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, your lock screen wallpaper is now displayed with ink effect, except the main object such as people or animal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.